Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop charging your Audi E-Tron. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked. This action releases the locking mechanism on the charging port, allowing the cable to be safely removed. Next, firmly grasp the charging cable handle and press the release button, which is typically located on the top of the handle. Then, with a steady hand, pull the cable straight out from the charging port. It's a simple process once you know the steps. The primary method for stopping a charge involves interacting directly with your Audi E-Tron. The car's internal locking system secures the charging cable in place during a charge, preventing accidental or unauthorized removal. By simply unlocking your vehicle, you signal to the car to release this lock. This is a crucial first step, as attempting to force the cable out without unlocking can damage the port or the cable itself. Always prioritize unlocking the car first. While the vehicle side method is universal, some charging stations offer additional ways to stop a session. For public chargers, you might need to use a specific app or an RFID card to end the charge, similar to how you initiated it. Many home charging units also feature a physical stop button. However, even if you stop the session from the charger, it is still essential to unlock your Audi E-Tron to release the cable from the car's port before attempting to remove it. Always confirm the session has ended. To ensure longevity for both your Audi E-Tron and its charging equipment, follow a few best practices. Always pull the charging cable straight out, avoiding any twisting or angled force, which can stress the connectors. After disconnecting, coil the cable neatly and store it in its designated area, protecting it from damage. Periodically inspect both the charging cable and the vehicle's charging port for any signs of wear or damage, such as frayed wires or bent pins. This helps maintain optimal charging performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.